Hi guys, welcome to our video review for Unit 1 of the Great Writing 3 series. Now, Unit 1 is really important because it actually lays the foundations for the rest of the semester. So, this is a video review for our very first test in my class. If at any point you need to go back in this video or pause or make sure that you completely understand everything that I've said or that you read on your screen, that's perfectly fine. Review your notes perhaps, or even pull out your book, and that way you will be 100% ready to ace that test. Remember, in order to do the best job you can possibly do on your test, you need to fully understand the ideas and concepts that I'm discussing. So let's go on ahead and let's get started on the PowerPoint video review. So let's go on ahead and let's get started. Like I said, Unit 1 is really important because many of the later chapters and the later units actually build on these ideas. So make sure that you fully understand these ideas before you take your test. Okay, the very first thing that we need to talk about is recognizing the parts of a paragraph. And the first thing you need to know is the definition for a paragraph. So a paragraph is actually a group of sentences with one main idea. Now a paragraph can be 3 sentences long, 5 sentences long, 87 sentences long. As long as they are all about the same main idea, then you have a paragraph. Now, in class we talked about a paragraph has 3 parts: a topic sentence, a supporting sentence, and a concluding sentence. You need to remember these 3 parts for your test tomorrow. Now I want to break it down. Let's go on ahead and get started with topic sentence. I know we've discussed a lot of this in class, but this is a good review. So, a topic sentence is usually the very first sentence of your paragraph, and it's pretty much going to just tell you the main idea or what that paragraph is about. Now, a topic sentence has 2 parts: a topic, or as your book calls it, a main subject, or basically, what is this paragraph about? What big idea is this paragraph discussing? Second, it also has a controlling idea, and a controlling idea will limit your topic or focus your topic a little bit more. For example, if your topic sentence is, cookies are my favorite food, obviously cookies is your topic, but are my favorite food will be your controlling idea. Now, on the other hand, if you have another topic sentence, making cookies is easy, we still have the same topic, cookies, but the controlling idea has changed. Making is easy. The types of paragraphs change depending on that controlling idea. So it's really important that your controlling idea is specific, because all of the other sentences in your paragraph will connect back to that controlling idea. Speaking of specific, make sure that when you are creating your own topic sentences, you remember the things that we discussed in class. So first of all, a topic sentence itself is specific. It's not general. But it can't be too specific. If your topic sentence is a fact that you can't support, then it's probably more of a supporting detail or a supporting sentence. Remember, topic sentences, while they are usually opinions, they are opinions because they are easy to support, to give examples, to give explanation for, and they tie all of the other sentences in that paragraph together. Let's move on to the second type of sentence in your paragraph, which is a supporting sentence. Now, a supporting sentence or supporting sentences make up the majority or the largest part of your paragraph. Supporting sentences, unlike the topic sentence, they are very, very specific because they scaffold or support that topic sentence. Also, supporting sentences, they are all connected to each other. They're all related, and they're all related to the topic and the final sentence, the concluding sentence as well. Supporting sentences can have a variety of purposes. They can give details, they can give examples, they can give explanation, they can give facts. Anything that will support that topic sentence and make that topic sentence true will be included in the supporting sentences. The very last type of sentence in your paragraph is a concluding sentence. And a concluding sentence, its only job is to really bring that paragraph to an end. Like I said in class, concluding sentences are kind of like reviews before the test. You want to review the big ideas for your reader before you let them go. So you bring that paragraph to an end. No new details go into a concluding sentence because, like I've said, you've reached the end of that paragraph. We don't want to give our reader a brand new idea and then leave them. No, we have to always explain. That's what supporting sentences are for. In your concluding sentences, no new ideas. Make sure it connects back up to that topic sentence. There are 4 ways that you can create a good concluding sentence. Number 1, you can restate the main idea. Now, restating the main idea is usually one of the easier ways that you can create a concluding sentence. Remember, when we talked about topic sentences and topic and controlling idea, now when you restate the main idea as your concluding sentence, you only have to take those ideas and say them again, but in different words. If we say them again using the exact same words, our reader's going to get really bored and we might lose their attention, and that's not what we want to do. Especially, you've spent a lot of time working on your paragraph. You don't want someone to forget it or to skip the end. You've worked too hard. The second way you can conclude your paragraph is to offer advice. Now, be careful here because if you're offering advice, you don't want to give a brand new specific idea, especially one that could be a supporting sentence. Keep your advice general and especially relate it back to the topic. We don't want to confuse our reader just as we are saying goodbye. The third thing you can do is give an opinion on the topic. And just like I said earlier with giving advice, make sure that your opinion does not create a brand new idea or move on to a brand new topic. Keep it general, just like your topic sentence. The fourth way that we can end our paragraph is by making a prediction. And just like the other ways that I've discussed, our prediction needs to be general, not a brand new idea. If you have brand new ideas, guys, go on ahead, put them in the supporting sentences, put them in the details. As long as they are connected back up to that topic sentence and your controlling idea, put them in the supporting sentence. Remember, it's okay if you have a really long paragraph. That means you have a lot of ideas. Ideas are the best part about writing, is you can share all the great ideas you have. If I have any advice for you, it is to remember these things. First of all, a sentence. All of the sentences in the paragraph are about that same idea. If you get confused, if you get stuck, go back up and read that topic sentence because it will tell you what all of those sentences are connected to. Also, remember, paragraphs as a whole are about one idea. If you see a sentence, especially in your own writing, if you see a sentence that maybe doesn't really connect to your topic or is different from the controlling idea, if you've got a positive topic sentence but a negative supporting sentence, then you probably have an irrelevant sentence. And an irrelevant sentence just does not belong in a paragraph and it should be deleted. Remember, an irrelevant sentence is a mistake and we need to get rid of that. Let's go on ahead and talk about your test. On this test, you are going to be asked to do 4 things for me. First, I need you to identify all of the parts of the paragraph. If you go back and watch this video, there are all those definitions that I've given you, either on the PowerPoint or spoken. You can also look in Unit 1 of your book. All those bold words, be prepared. You might be asked to not write a definition, but identify which definition goes with each. Make sure you can spell these words correctly. This is writing class, so really work on that spelling. You also need to be able to identify the topic and the controlling idea of topic sentences. So there is a section, I think this is page 8, maybe at the top, where you identify topic and controlling idea. If you want to look back at that and practice, that would be an excellent idea and would be a great way to prepare you for the test. The third thing that I would like for you to do is identify the difference between a topic and a supporting sentence. Be able to tell me, no, this has too much detail, or this is too specific, or wait, this is an opinion. It's a topic sentence. Okay? Be able to do that and you'll do just fine. And the last part, you are going to have to write a paragraph. But since we haven't really talked about coming up with ideas and pre-writing and the best way to create amazing ideas, don't worry. I'm going to give you your ideas. All you have to do is put them in paragraph form by writing your own topic sentence, supporting sentences, and a concluding sentence. And you might even have to delete an irrelevant sentence. That's it, guys. If you are able to do all 4 of these things, you will do excellently on our test soon. So best of luck. I'm going to try to put page numbers in the bottom bar if you want to have further review or anything else that you would like. You guys can just leave me a comment here and I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as I can. Best of luck on your test. I know you'll do great. See you guys. Bye.